This is a morning meditation to help you get your day started. Release the things that don't serve your highest good.
So I'm doing my makeup. I'm just going to do, I always say I'm gonna do like a quick look. Technically I have like 12 minutes, so we'll see how fast I can do this. Makeup's done and we are back. I'm trying to hold on to this sew-in for dear life, so I just need to like freshen it up. I might wear it down like this, just add some curls to it, and then do my baby hairs, of course, like do my edges. Or I might have like two pieces in the front, like these two pieces in the front, and then pin it up, like do a cute little updo. I might do a cute little updo. I don't know, I feel like this looks really cute. Either way, we're gonna step into the bathroom so that I can do my hair. So I'm holding on to this sew-in, okay? It is a closure sew-in. It's just so much more convenient to have a sew-in, especially during the work week. I just get up and do my hair super quick, like right now. I'm going to using my Red by Kiss Edge Kara. This is an edge brush plus edge fixer. It's a 100% boar bristle brush with an application wand, a rat tail body for easy hairstyling, and it has edge control in it. This is what the brush looks like up close. I'm gonna take the side of the applicator that has the comb on it, and I'm just using that to like comb any flyaways and also to comb my baby hairs. I just have these two swoops because this is a closure. I'm just gonna take the Red by Kiss Edge Kara, untwist it, and here is the applicator with the edge control on it, and this smells amazing. So I'm just going to apply this edge control right at the top. It also comes in different scents. The one that I'm using is strawberry acai, and it smells absolutely amazing. And then replace the brush, reconnect it so the comb and the brush are connected to the rat tail. I like to start out with the comb and then I use the brush to smooth. I take my finger and I just guide it to lay the baby hairs down, and I use my finger to hold the baby hairs in place. And look how beautifully that laid. I'm gonna use the brush side to really smooth it down. And I'm done. That just took a few seconds. So on to the other side. This right here is like the end of my closure, so not too much. I'm just gonna take my comb and guide it. Just using the comb to guide the baby hairs. Oh, it's laying down so beautifully. And then I use the brush to smooth everything out and lay everything down. You know what I love most about the Red by Kiss Edge Kara is the convenience. It's consolidated my rat tail comb, my edge brush, and my edge control all into one product. So I not only use the Red by Kiss Edge Kara brush to style my edges, I actually take it on the go with me for quick hair touch-ups. perfectly laid edges. So while I do the rest of my hair, allow me to tell you 3 things that I've learned so far working in corporate. I absolutely love my job so far, which is amazing. I'm really happy about that. And the main thing that I've learned is just the importance of setting up one-on-ones. When I first joined, I had a lot of meetings that were set up for me by my team members, and that was one of the easiest ways to meet everyone and get to know everyone and learn about their position and what they do and how long they've done that. However, I took it a step further and I came up with 5 questions that I ask in my one-on-ones. One of the last questions that I recommend asking is essentially, can you give me the names of 5 people that you think I should speak with next? Until you've met with as many people as you humanly possibly can. Number 2 is establishing boundaries in the most polite way. Fortunately, I work for a company that really cares about work-life balance. They do not want our jobs to be the only thing in our lives. It's easy to set boundaries because you can just set focus time. You can block off time on your own calendar. That way your time is respected and people know that they can come to you, but not anytime in the entire world. Politely setting boundaries just helps you later on when the workload inevitably picks up a little bit and you need time to yourself to actually get your work done. The last thing that I will say, it goes back to one-on-ones. I personally have weekly one-on-ones set up that I did not set up myself, but I am very, very happy that they were set up on my behalf. And that is with senior leadership. And I recommend when you're talking to senior leadership in your weekly one-on-ones that you kind of like take the initiative and create the agenda. You can literally make like an Excel spreadsheet, or you can get on OneNote, or you can use a Word document, something that's going to keep track of your one-on-ones. That way you can let them know if you have any blockers, you can let them know if you have any questions, you can let them know if you have any updates, you can let them know the status of projects, you can let them know what teams you're working cross-functionally with, who you're working closely with. That is a great way to let the very busy upper management know that you are doing your job. This is also great to have when it's time for performance reviews. So if you have every weekly one-on-one documented, you have all of that to pull for your performance review. So I thought I was going to wear my hair up, but I don't know, I kind of like these loosey-goosey curls. I'm gonna turn all my hot tools off, and then I'm gonna take this with me on the go so I can touch up my baby hairs throughout the day if need be. But this edge control absolutely has my edges just slicked down. Thank you for partnering with me, Red by Kiss. Love this edge, Kara. Brilliant. This is brilliant, and you need one. Okay? Okay. It's my favorite time of the day. It's time to eat lunch. So, I made dinner last night. If you've ever been to Chipotle and you've had their like vinaigrette, I made it, kind of, sort of. I made the copycat version that is as close to the vinaigrette as I could possibly get. I also made some chicken. It's like the pollo asada, I think that's how you pronounce it, from Trader Joe's. So good. It's so good. It comes in like this packaging. This is the shawarma chicken thighs. It comes in packaging just like this, sold in the same area, but it's the pollo asada. It is so delicious. My fire roasted corn is right here. I get this from Trader Joe's. It's in the frozen food section. And then I just have spinach and lettuce right here. Assemble. I'm gonna top it all off with some of this Uncle Ben's cilantro lime rice. It is microwavable. Making rice isn't that complicated, but this is so much easier. 1 minute and 30 seconds and you have really good rice. Good enough rice. This is how it looks. Okay, it may not look like the most appetizing thing in the world, but am I moving my hair out of the way so that I can eat? Absolutely. Absolutely. Well, that's what I'm talking about. So I'm back home after happy hour. I forgot to show my outfit. Something I've worn before. I showed this outfit in a TikTok. It's just like a naked wardrobe dress with an open back. Put my boots back on so you can see the whole outfit. I didn't zip my boots up, okay? This is what the outfit looks like. Naked wardrobe dress. Has a slit in the back with these boots from Pretty Little Thing. So that was my day today. Thank you so much for joining me. But we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here.